Hi everyone, welcome back to Bitcoingem channel. In today's video, let's look into three altcoins which are extremely high risky, and if our play is right, this can be extremely high rewarding. The first one is Demo or Dymo, however you want to pronounce it. This all three projects that I'm sharing today are deep in projects. Fundamentally, I find them very good. I have very high conviction on them, but since they are low market caps, micro market caps, that's why they are extremely risky, and it is either 100x or nothing or zero. So again, I'm warning you guys, if you are buying these projects, be clear that you can achieve a 50 100x on your investment, but it can also go to zero. So only invest if you're ready for it going to zero, or else do not buy these bags. The first one is Demo and Demo. As I said, it's only at $41 million market cap. It's a very good project in deep in space, and I think you should look into this project if you're looking for a micro cap, small cap altcoin. The second one is Wi-Fi. Now, Wi-Fi, I first shared it at around $3 or $4 million market cap to our Bitcoingem Genesis NFT group. So we are up 3-4x from there, but it's still a micro cap only at $13 million. Sorry, $14 million. I think this is again a very huge deep in play where it can, if it can go to $1 billion market cap, you can imagine it is almost 100x from here, and it can go there, and if it can also go to zero since it's only $14 million market cap. So extremely high risk, extremely high rewarding, but fundamentally I find the team very exciting and it's a solid team. So I have a good conviction on this project, but since it's a micro cap, it is extremely risky. The third one is Atlas Navy, again a deep in project, and just at $19 million market cap. So again, a potential 50 100x play if it can go to $1 billion. You see all three projects, one is 41, one is 13, one is 19. If any one of them can reach $1 billion market cap, it is an easy 20 50 100x play depending on the kind of valuation you enter. So I think these are extremely three high risk and high rewarding play. So if you have a portion of your portfolio where you want to deploy high risky plays, then I think these three are certainly there. That should be on your research. I'm going to introduce three more extreme high risk, extreme high rewarding plays. So stay tuned to the video, and I hope you have seen all the previous videos. Till now, I have introduced 19 altcoins, including today's three, and I'm going to introduce 20 more. So see you guys in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.